600,000 products. It's called Cookie.
Okay, starting the stream. Okay, hello everybody. Let's see, so far it's 30, what's that? What's the amount here? 3018. Let me change it. 3018. Okay. Let's see how it's gonna go further. Trading a little bit of smart, not completely dumb money. Let me make it a bit quieter. Okay, guys, anybody here? Can you tell me how do I sound? Loud, good, bad? I trade 1-to-1. I just came back from Moscow, so just turning on my computer. Hello. Let me change a little bit this thing, right? And put it on the top. Hello. Where's my face? I'm trying to find what I'm streaming. Dang it. My OBS is doing something weird. Okay, okay, now it makes sense. This is how we're doing that. I was thinking, what is going on here? So I basically have two OBSs. Now I have one. Okay, take all this liquidity and stop somewhere here. I don't want to see it going anywhere lower. Why doesn't show anyone? Probably because nobody's here. Okay, I might want to exit that before the news. Oh wait, news already happened. I'm like still waking up. JPY, they got tomorrow bank holiday. Oh, FOMC, holy shit. Federal funds rate. Tomorrow's gonna be fun. What is this? Holy shit. Wow. So price goes here and flies. Should I just leave it like that? I guess.
You see, stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on two separate
Yeah, like break even here, break even there, just in case.
from those positions.
I like this idea here though, but I have one account.
The sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound, impossible
There's
to
like
obtain
53
in a
you can
monaural
see
recording.
today. And these two, they haven't, you see, I had 3,000 gold, like liquidity take from the Asia, but I didn't get there yet. It will. How much is this stop? I guess I can kind of afford. Yeah, I can afford it. Not here. Here. Let's go with the stop right under that thing. Still will be 1,000 profits. Trap them all. That's what I want to see. All these numbers are getting huge here. Did it actually take the liquidity from the Asia? No, it didn't. Wow. Scammy. I like that they keep selling like hardcore, but price goes up. So they're getting absorbed by someone big. Lol. The idea is super clear. We get range of Asia. Since we're in a bull run, kind of, I mean, in a bullish action so far, right? Since like April 21st, 21st, yes. Still going up. My search continues for that. Let me remove this bullshit. So, I see Asia. I need manipulation through Asia lows, since I'm looking for the bullish scenario. Manipulation of this thing right here. Lows are taken. And now I'm looking for the distribution to take the highs of the Asia. I traded 3 accounts. That's my setup. 1-to-1 risk reward, because I wanna let it go through all that. Probably smarter would be here, but I don't care much. And now you can see I am looking for expansion to higher. Especially here, I see a lot of shorts trapped right in this perfect kind of, they just defended this fair value gap. And I would assume it's just gonna go to take all those heavy, crazy, huge stop losses. Look at that. Oh my goodness, they are all in negative right now. And only buyer needs to step in and will trigger all stop losses to the top. Yeah, buyer step in. Take all that further. Oh yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. Defended here, especially with all this liquidity here, like which got collected here with all those stop losses. It's heavy, it's huge. Yeah, like that's what I'm saying. Ooh, beautiful, beautiful. You see, it's ultimately simple strategy right here. Like I will explain again. We are in a bullish scenario. What I like to trade is exactly what I trade here. Look, manipulation. You enter here, like here, or even here if you like it. Yeah, just enter here. You enter here and you go 1-to-1. You need to take a liquidity high of Asia, and you need exactly the same level, like make it 1. Even you had shitty entry, look at that. It would have worked. I mean, it worked for me. I traded that. Next scenario, again, manipulation. I entered here. Like here, the reversal I was thinking is gonna reverse. Where's that? Show me. Show me this. Was somewhere or a bit lower. So it was successful trade, which is never mind. That's another one. That's the one with the manipulation, because I'm looking for entry, and first I need manipulation of the London. That's the first reversal. And 1-to-1. Look at that. Beautiful. Here. It never gave a chance. It just dumped like crazy. And it haven't displaced anything. That's it. Same thing. Manipulation here. Manipulation second time if you like it, like a normal one. Distribution. With a gap you don't enter. And now it's exactly the same thing what I'm trading. Manipulation. And I'm looking for the distribution. You see my entry? 973 plan, 983, okay, $10. Plan here, down. I got a little bit more size on another one, so that's how I finished successfully. Here I'm expecting exactly the same thing. It has a 10 minutes delay. I don't need NQ on my trading view. Where's that? Where the hell is that? Ooh, okay, never mind. What's that? I need 3, 20, 15, right? $322. Let's see how it goes. And I need to link them. Link them. They try to sell hardcore, so they're gonna get pushed to the tops. Last week that was sad, almost 2,500 stop loss, but now it's already in the plus, and I'm expecting them to get squeezed like crazy here, or fill this fair value gap here. Whatever is that? If I put like 5 minutes, it'll be more visible one. Oh, it's not even fair value gap on 5 minutes. maybe on 2 minutes. On 2 it should be. Yeah. It already felt like on the entry. And nothing is going on. Wait, I want to make fancy. Ooh, no, that's not fancy. Oh. Nope. Nope. Ooh, that's the main volume, I guess. It's like wicks, right? Yeah, those are wicks. Squeeze them all. Liquidity, liquidity, liquidity. Asia highs. Straight to my money. The main goal of the market is to get, that's the Asia low, Asia high, taking liquidity of Asia low, that's right here, enter on the first, like look at that, on the first sign, okay, it's higher, enter on a fair value gap, drop, we're going up, 1, 2, stop losses of this session here will trigger to go there, done. Oh, that's kind of super dark. Now it should be better, right? No? Let me see what I got. Oh, yeah. I hope, guys, you can hear me, because I feel like I'm alone there. Wow, look at this absorption here. But since I'm trading this concept, I should not care much about absorption, because sellers are also there. There is not a big difference of sellers and guys who are trying to long, honestly, from what I see. What I don't like, it doesn't put highs here. But anyways, you should take liquidity this. Like I said, trigger that. No, not that, this one. And trigger with a cascade to up to here, like 75, 70s, something. Okay, they're trying to sell. They maybe wanna fill out this one, right? Something like that. Something like that. Hope it holds. Oh my goodness, look at that sell. And it's absorbing that. So far. That's the main thing. Might not further. Push them all. All these shorts must be squeezed, please. Let's go. And our target is here. And nobody is here. Look at that. It's like buying crypto bottom. Still gives you the chance. And if you go in like 15 minutes, what I would trade. You can play with time frames and find the fair value gap. Has pretty tight trades here. You can call this one as a displacement of this local thing, right? Because it closed, then it dumped. Enter here. That's what I traded. So far it works for me. I actually like the moment here. Look, the lowest level of that. Where's that? I'm trying to find. Yeah, that's the lowest. Yeah, that's the lowest. Look at that. These numbers. That was just baiting me. Oh, look at that. To enter. Because I see it. Look at that. It's like 40 here, 380. Yeah, legit. But they haven't closed. But I see how they're shorting like the same level all the time. They keep pushing, 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 and then price reverses. And then on the retest, just enter. Right here. I mean here. That's the spot, right? Yes. Okay, I'm not blind. Look at that. 1,000. Freaking 1,000 of contracts. It's just crazy number. And price held. Which means for me, they want to go higher. You enter here. At the retest, another, I can say 1,000, even more. And we're flying. That's another, that's open. That's crazy one. It's like 1,000. That's the week of taking all the liquidity, which is getting absorbed. Oh my goodness, I'm waiting for this squeeze. They're not allowing it to go lower. There's not much of a difference of delta. It's also like, I can't say negative is winning yet. Maybe positive is kind of higher, but not much. And it's still trading high. It's like everyone is close here. Like longs and shorts are at the same level. Oh, if it goes here, holy shit. 91 for the win. So this level for the win. We might go straight to the take profit. Right, I need 91. That's the one. That's the major one. Let's make it. Yeah. Fly like an angel. Okay, they're trying. Ooh, rip. Sellers are trying. Let's see, longs are kind of stuck at the top. If I wasn't sitting from there, I would be like shorting that. But my short potential is to get to here, not lower. But the long potential is to get higher, because all this liquidity is just like one moment shot. Really higher. That's the possible long addition. If it gets there. For those who were late, you can see. Okay, good. Short trap. Trap them all. Need this big fat number. I want all these to be taken to here with like 1,000 contracts stuck here. Then I'm good. Or just push it to the top and from there we're flying. Yep. No. It feels like both trap. But if it breaks that, holy shit, we are flying. It's a New York session. Before the lunch, still a lot of volume, relatively. Okay. Look at that, look at that, look at that. They're trying to short. Holy. Yeah. Okay. Oh my goodness. Is it rip? Is it freaking rip? Liquidity, liquidity, liquidity. This, that. Bitches, please. Just close your positions. Give up, give up, give up. Buyer, step in. Shit. How beautiful and bullish this looking. Break it. Break it. Now amount of shorts is adding. Oh yeah. Let's go. Let's go. To the freaking moon. Let's go. Let's take them all out. Push it, push it. Push it to the limit. It must take that. Asia high. That's the Asia high. Take Asia high. Fly 30 bucks. Wow. They're not allowing to take Asia high. Which is this. Look at that. Asia high. I mean, that's pretty much, yeah, that's the one. Look, it hasn't touched yet. Oops. I don't have to do that. Oh my goodness. They're not allowing to take Asia high. And look at this. 25 freaking cents or what? We took Asia low. Now we need Asia high. Now it's trapping more and more and more shorts. Retest here, right? Of this box. If it wants. Flying like an angel. Now look at that. Another push, Asia. Take it, take it. I want it to go further. Not there, but here. And they all put stop loss below that, right? I mean above, not below, above. Squeezy, squeezy! Asia is right there. Let's fly 30 bucks. 30 more bucks, please. That's the plan. Higher, higher. Push them, push them. You can't just take like that. $5. There is no stop losses there. You need to take all that. You want to take that. Pre-Asia. That bullshit. Fly there. Then it's good. I like when a lot of shorts are stepping in after liquidity grab on the first attempt and they get squeezed like they should be. Okay, what to me is going to be the actual negative scenario is when it takes the liquidity and dumps right there. Like, let me Like that, maybe. They're trying, and they're all shorting that. But it doesn't work that way. Take them all out. I need this 30 bucks. What is this? I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. Shorts are shorting. Price at the same level. Show them how to long weak hands and players. Push that, and this should be somewhere here, right? Oh, I want that to be taken too. Would be fantastic. 123 will fly higher, but that's still kind of nasty. Oh, okay. If I go to 5 minutes time frame, what do I see here? Yeah, actual displacement should be somewhere there. Or maybe. Oh, finally. Go to 16. I just want to see that and zoom in. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Don't be shy. Get more. Longs need to step in. We're bullish. Oh yeah. Get there. Take all that bullshit. Straight to my profit take. Yeah, let them short. Okay, let them short, but don't let them go lower. Ooh, I have a meeting. That's actually what I flew here for. That's funny. Session timeout. Will it go and take these kind of stuff? $20, nice. And we're flying. I'm just waiting for this thing to generate proper amount of liquidity to squeeze them all out. Right into my take profit. Fantastic entry. I can tell, right? Look at that. That's funny. These stairs, right into that block. A lot of shorts are trapped here. Price goes against, like against that number. Entry. Stop can be below that. Look at this. Oof. That's my take profit. Waiting, hoping, praying, whatever people do. Hello, hello. I'm here preparing for my digitalization meeting. Came here right for the stream. Sitting waiting for my take profit. Tired from like what was that? From here. Yeah, they got trapped. 983, where's that 983? That's the spot. It was low volume, but it was at the same spot, so I decided, okay, if you go against them, let's go. So far, we are here. And especially it held through that level. Can you hear me? Just in case, because I'm alone here chilling for 20 whatever minutes or 30 minutes. Please push, push, push. Take the liquidity from that spot, push it straight to there, and we're good. I need this bear trap. Yeah, like this one. Okay, perfect. That's my box. Liquidity grab. Nice. No news, nothing. What would we see? Do we see? Okay. Now everyone is trying to short. Price keeps there. Time to squeeze them all out. Right? Look at that. That's manipulation. I'm ready for the distribution, bitches. I'm super ready for that. Hasn't this place this low? Oh my goodness, 1500, 1600 shorts. What is this jump? It's like what, 20, 15, 80, wow, 30 bucks. Drop, like insta drop. No news, nothing. It's just I'm okay. I'm dropping. Okay, they keep shorting. I need them to be able to absorb all that bullshit. And after that, I'm super down to go up. What I don't like, that's the Asia liquidity has been taken. But look at the numbers. It's like more than 2,000 contracts on the market. They got absorbed in the fair value gap. I mean, it hasn't displaced that. Even it's like 1 minute fair value gap. Holy shit. Now it's gonna go up against all of them. Like here. If it gets here, all these guys are screwed. They think it's a displacement, but it's not. Local range is here with the FVG. If it was lower, then yeah, I would be thinking, oh, fuck, we're gonna trade like maybe somewhere here to these lows. But it also wouldn't make sense. But look at that. They're shorting. Nobody's longing, but they're shorting, but price doesn't go low. I mean, now it started kind of. I would be super happy if it holds that and doesn't go there. Ooh. The bear trap is real. And now longs are stepping in. Heavy buys. 200 contracts. Feels like I saw someone buying it on the market. Let me see. 2-2. Oh wow. And now price goes against all that bullshit. And once it reaches this level, this is where all stop losses will get triggered. Not all, but most of them. And yeah, and then it's GG. I want this thing to hold. And not allow all these longs. Okay. Can we go back, please? I don't mind going back. And again, that Trezor short, holy shit, it's... Yeah, it's 2.5k already. Shorts there. Wow. More. Wow. They're actually shorting that. Why would you, when you see all that? If 2,500 contracts got absorbed, why would you even short that? Okay. Will we get more trapped stuff? And nobody's longing so far. I don't see delta higher. So I don't see buys. It's like shorts are getting close. So they're closing positions and they're gonna see that it's probably a trap and they need to close as soon as possible in some profits here, and most of them are trapped here. Ooh, very dirty. Okay, longs started to buy finally, feels like. Give me this 35 bucks and I'm okay. Push through that too, and we're good. Look. I don't see anything yet so far. Trap, 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 trap. Bear trap, bear trap. I'll make myself smaller so I won't be that annoying. Wow. Okay, if it gets here, definitely should not displace that. If it displaces that, I'm okay. But yeah, so far it's just getting pushed lower. Will it take all those longs out first and then shorts? If it allows them to go, because they got absorbed here. Not much though. But since if it's nothing to absorb, 48, 48. That's another place where I wanted to hold. Because after that I don't need anything to hold. Right? What was that? 27, yeah. Ooh. Let's go higher. Past this. Interesting. ultimately interesting trade. I need strong, something strong. A lot of shorts here. Just squeeze them all out to there, or bottom, trap them. I just want to see. In fact, what's interesting to me, this possible spot. If not, I don't mind taking all those guys out. And they cannot push. Weak hands. Push over that. It's all, delta is negative. You can see it here. It's all negative here. Like all completely negative. I mean, most of them, right? Actually, yeah, it dropped some, but they're trying to sell. Kinda, it works, right? Because it goes lower. But I wanted to break like something this level, something like here, because all these guys who are shorting it from here, they have stop loss somewhere here. 14, oh, 106. That's the one. Look, they're shorting basically the same spot, but so far it goes down. Yeah. Will it trade to that? If I make it like 3 minutes, will it look like fair value gap? It does look like, kind of. Yeah, kind of. Interesting. It should hold. Okay, I like this. I like this very much. $20 up. And we're talking. They're gonna, those who are shorting here, they're gonna start taking profits from here. So closing short means buying on the market. Okay. Push it to the limit. Yeah, it keeps pushing. Okay. Will it hold this one? Oh, they're still selling. It would be funny if it goes here, even though because they're selling harder than buying. A lot harder. Delta is negative. 200 contracts are in negative. So it means they're being absorbed by limit buyer. Look, it looks like they got some curve, right? Curvature here. If next will be here, like end of the candle higher than this, to me it will be a good sign that there will be absorbed higher. Okay. They still selling. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. It's like almost nobody is buying, but they're selling. But look at the color of candle, which is funny. Okay, now I see buyers stepped in. Yeah, it's like it makes sense to go like with billion contracts long, because that's gonna fly. Next will be here. Yep. All is negative. Big numbers. Kind of big. They're here. Time to get and do some squeezy. Right. Try to sell. Okay. Good luck. They're creating another FVG. They haven't displaced anything, but stops are here, from my understanding. Many of stops from here. That should hold this level. Okay, buyers are in. I hate this list. No, this is commercial. This thing I don't like at all. Okay. Right. They got some sell, but yeah, they got more buyers. True. But that's how we see price here. Ooh. Can you just get higher, please? I like when it rips higher first. Not that bullshit. Oh, Blaze, hello. Sorry. Yeah, 3K is on one account, and these are two remaining. I'm planning to do 3K on each also. So first, I hit my profits on one of them. You can see. 3031. Yeah, you see. And now my goal is to squeeze all those out. Today's a one-day trade. I decided not to do all that crazy scalping as I do. For people, it's kind of hard. Let me explain. Thank you very much for coming back. Let me explain what is my strategy for today. We are bullish, right? So it's like, I mean, it's dumb to say like for 14 days we're going up, like April 21. It's going up. And my strategy is to take the liquidity of the Asia session. You can see the consolidation of Asia. Since we are bullish, we are looking for a long. Where we are buying long? Buying low. I was looking for manipulation of Asia. This is where it got manipulated. So basically, I can enter here already, like fair value gap. I just can enter here. With the stop loss 1-to-1. What I did, it went lower. And after I saw first signs of strength, I entered, and I'm targeting highs of Asia, which it just did. But I did miscalculation a little bit. But you see, from Asia low, my target is Asia high. Asia high is this. It already pierced that. That's the Asia high. And yeah, my entry is, look at that. Long trade from, what was that, 1445. Yeah, it's 3 hours already. But yeah, look at that. Basically, we manipulated Asia. We started to trade. I wanted to see higher high, which is kind of, you can say this is higher than this. You can enter here, put stop loss somewhere like 1-to-1 there, and take profit there. Makes sense. But I was just waiting to see something more significant, and it just started to trade that, and then I saw this. Usually market hates all that. You see, they're shorting here. They all put stop losses above like each candle. it fell here. Additionally, on the order flow, I saw like it has big numbers. It was before a session, but still you can see when it's 8 buying, 5 buying, but hundreds are selling. And in the end, I thought, okay, price went against, like against these like heaviest numbers here. I'm entering long, especially it matches to what I want. This is Asia. Kind of Asia was somewhere here like that, something like that. Manipulated. Now I'm waiting the target up. It's there. Oh, look at that. So I want another 3 and 3 and I'm good. One trade, no more. Oh wow, look at that, big one. Wow, VWAP, volume weighted average price. That's the middle, that's the level where it's like, oh, it's not there, sorry, I'm scamming you. That's the volume weighted average price. This is where price tends to come back, but it's dynamic. It develops according to whatever price does, and it's always trying to trade. You see, it's like reflecting here, going back, comes back, trades somewhere here, breaks out somewhere below. Once it goes further, yeah, look at that. They're doing something here. Nothing special. Still need to take all that. I don't want to see these to be displaced though. What is going to be my 600? So it means 1200 for 2 accounts or 4K. No, I'm not interested. I'm looking for this high. Although Asia was taking. Let's see. If it falls through that, I might just exit. My goal was Asia. Asia got hit.
You see, stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on 2 separate.
It's the same thing that I explained last time. When it has fair value gap, I'm not interested, and it usually goes to expansion. Here, we're bullish. It takes the lows, entering somewhere here, targeting this. Stop loss 1 to 1. Goes back to this level. Same thing. Asia, we're looking for a long. So we are looking only... What is that? Did I kill the thing? Where's the... Okay, sessions. I'm looking only for longs. Here it just dropped. It never tried to displace and go higher. Like here. Again, the same thing. It manipulates. And you see, okay, it goes against previous stuff even if you enter here. Like long position. Like here. You trusted the process. You're targeting highs of Asia. Your target and your stop loss is 1 to 1. You're good. Same thing here. It manipulates. It doesn't displace. It manipulates lower. It displaces. It makes higher high. According, if you go to like 5 minutes, you will see that. I already checked it. Same thing every time. Yeah. That's the one. So it manipulates. It goes there, but it doesn't make higher high. That's the, like, I can say it's kind of high on 5 minutes. This is the high. Now it goes lower. I need this to be displaced. It goes here. It goes even lower. Now I need this to be displaced. Now it goes higher. Breaks this thing. And on the first, return to the fair value gap. Fair value gap is the first and the last candle with empty body. Yeah, you see it traded right in between, like first and the last. You can enter here, or if it goes there, I enter at the beginning. And yeah, I'm targeting high of the Asia, which went perfectly fine. It's the same thing, only when it displaces. Displaced right here, came back. Sometimes there is no trade. It like came back here. You can take it. Kind of sketchy one, but still would have worked. So that's what I'm trading today. What's that? Oh, it hasn't displaced yet here. So I'm not scared. Still waiting for higher. I would be scared. My stop loss is already, like I said, in $600 profits, just in case. But I want to let the room to go and do stupid things. So far, I see shorts are dominating here, but price is still kind of higher. Which I would assume they will, at least they trade here. And maybe we'll push all these shorts out. Let's see what we've got on BTC so far. I don't want to touch anything, whatever is going. Oh wow. Ooh. Okay. This is where longs are stepping in and getting destroyed immediately. Yeah, that's classic Bitcoin stuff. Oh yeah, okay. It's gonna touch this. Let me see. Okay. It's taking out these shorts. Yep. Touched the line. Can it pierce through that? Finally, like to invalidate this FVG. Fair value gap or imbalance. 3. That's 2 remaining. I just had better entry. I didn't have a copy trader for them. That's why I entered a bit earlier and I exited on this wick here. It was right before Asia actually. So you see, I needed not actual Asia high, but a little bit earlier, and it took me out right here. Then it went all the way down here. And now I'm planning to trade longer. I want this thing to end because I have some stuff to do. Ah, please don't show me that. I want to see 1,000 of contracts stuck here and fly higher. So far looking good, especially if it goes beyond that first. Also possible entry is here. I might add something like 5 contracts or something here. Not sure though. We'll see if it gets there. To me, it's still bullish scenario because, you know, we're using Fibonacci. I don't mind using Fibonacci from the bottom to the top of the range. And it's 618. Oh yeah, you see? They're trying. Oof. Absorbed. Will it absorb more? Wow, it's 1,000 contracts of... Yeah, okay, it dipped a bit, but not much. Okay, I will make 5 contracts here. Like that, with a stop right there. Just in case. It's gonna be a break even if I enter here. So I will add some more. Let's see how it goes. Or if it squeezes them all now, I'm good. Oh, but look, that was surgical. Oh, it's not here. I showed first it was here to touch this line and it touched. Yeah, it's also like I don't have to use Fibonacci. I just see these levels. Like these 618 exactly touched it. Okay, I see they're trying to short it. Go beyond that. Same thing, exactly the same thing. It started, then it was falling, then they got trapped here. All that bullshit. Price went against, and now they're still, some of them are still closing. It's not much here. They probably want to trap more to get stuck somewhere here, maybe. Okay. Take all these lows. Take a lot of shorts. Yep, thank you. Take a lot of shorts here. Shorts are gonna step in. That's psychological. Oh, we're falling. Oh, we're falling. And now they're trying to short it. And now just push it. And then go from liquidity to liquidity. And take that liquidity to the top. Okay, now they're shorting. Now they're jumping. 300 contracts sell. Funny. And look. Yeah. Sellers are dominating right now. Okay, now buyers are stepping in. The only concern to me is that Asia already has been taken. I want to have it like rated hardcore to like highs to like, I don't know, like maybe 15 minutes Fibonacci. Look at that. That's my goal. If I take that from the top to the bottom. Anyways, I'm like closing this gap, especially on 1 hour, it'll be super visible. Look. Yeah, it's empty. Needs to fly through that. Especially during New York. Let me see 1 minute. I hope it doesn't want to go for opposite liquidity of the London and New York lows. Because at the beginning it has a lot of volume which has been traded. It's like 49, yeah. Oops. So they started to trade all that, and it has crazy volume here. I don't want to go against all that. Look at these shorts. That's why we are trading higher. Shorts failed to push the bottom. They're like the heaviest shorts. Look at that. And that's it, price reversed. Same thing, if longs are failing to push, we might reverse. But since we're bullish, yeah, this I hate. Since we're bullish, at least I am. Oh, but it almost like immediately retraced. Let me check another time frame. Will it make sense to hold? Yeah, it makes sense to hold. And 5 minutes. Kind of closing this imbalance, if it can be called imbalance. Okay, I like it. Will it get some more? Trap them all. Tomorrow is gonna be FOMC. It's like a federal funds rate. So it's about interest rate. So it's gonna be very big volatility on the closing time, I guess. Okay. Buyers, show me. Show me that you are interested in doing something. Still wants to trade into that. Oh, what exactly work? I have some call regarding digital assets. Nothing special. I was in Moscow. I needed to fly back. Although I wasn't planning to fly back. And yeah, I just got called out for the meeting, and I just came back to my city. And longs, yeah, got candle. Push them all, squeeze them all. Oh yeah, show them the intention, but don't get stopped here. I need at least that to be taken. Push them, push. Nice. I don't want to see freaking 2,000 contracts on the same place. I want that all to be squeezed to here. Okay, try to sell, guys. Fail in that. Trap more. Oh, wow, it's 1,000 contracts of, but it's mostly squeeze, so it's not like someone was buying here. It's these guys were losing. That's the 1,000. That's the 1,000. Oops. Oopsie. I would love to see it traded here, but not go over. Even though it would have, yeah, it would work still. Okay. I like when it respects that. Show me that you respect it a lot. Okay, what about Sui? Sui is being longed hardcore. What I would expect, and price doesn't go up. I like it. They're longing, price goes down. That means for the flush. To where? I don't know. Somewhere here. 331 probably for the beginning. Bitcoin. Ooh, same thing. Okay, here they bought it's okay, but now they keep buying, but it goes down for the flush. Okay, I wanted to short it, but I didn't have a chance. Probably. Let me just see if I short it. No, I haven't. I should not be able to. Oh, I like it. I like it. Please displace this thing. Go beyond that. No, I'm not shorting Bitcoin yet. Yeah, I was expecting my limit to be triggered at 95,146 too short, with the stop loss 95,723, but it didn't go, so I'm waiting. Oh, I want these to respect these candles and not go lower. I'll be happy. Okay. Shorts sit here. Yeah. Now it looks better. I don't like long sitting here, but it's not longs, it's shorts closed. Shorts are active. These are not longs. These are stop losses of longs. Shorts. Shorts closing positions, meaning buying on the market. And oh wow, okay, that's the big purchase. If it pushes beyond that, that would be nice. Okay, push beyond there. Now push beyond that. Oh wow, 500. Holy shit, push it, push it. It's taking these stop losses. You see, it's not as fun as it is when you are trading actively, all that stuff, to me personally, but it's more quiet. In fact, you can just enter the trade. I entered the trade and I called to my wife, she entered the trade for me, and like on the video, and I was on a plane. I came here and I'm still on the trade, seeing only that I kind of, because my copy trading, she doesn't know how to start it, and we need to go account by account. Trade into that, go back, at least it respected these. Yep. Could you please not go below that? Do you know what imbalance is, or fair value gap, which just got broken? This trade is based on like high time frame. So I went to the weekly MNQ. What's that? Okay, I want to see what is happening here. So far it looks like kind of bearish. Shouldn't go below that. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Market should be balanced. It's like here, like everyone is trading, everything is normal with the price. Market is imbalanced when you see that's the hole right here. Like what? Why would price fly 200 bucks? I just need 40 bucks here. No, okay, 50 bucks now. I need 50 bucks here. Why would it fly 200 bucks without anything? And market tries to rebalance it. So it's basically, you see, it just flew here, and then the next week it almost closed this. And the same thing, fair value gap, it means same thing with the price. when the first candle, it's like, it's a 3 candle move. First, second, third in one direction. And you see, it just flew, like, it was like jumping entire week from here, from 17,000.17.3 till 20k. That's crazy move. And when market goes like crazy here, entire week it was going up. And the first candle of this thing, like end of the first, you can see the week right here. I will remove my cursor. You can see it here. The start is from here to the bottom of the third week. So it's basically first and the third candle where they're not being crossed. That means imbalance. And it's not, of course, 100%. It's not even maybe 80%. But most likely, price will be willing to revisit it, to rebalance the market. And usually, if you are trading, some people, they're just trading fair value gaps in the price movement. It shows like strong intention. You see, it was falling, and then it shot back. And I would assume we went higher. Yeah. And people like to trade only closing fair value gap and put stop loss behind the first candle. Even if you were trading that, and you can see it, let's see Fibonacci tool here from the top to this level, you see, wow, it's like, even on weekly, it's 3 weeks range, it's 20 days, it touched golden pocket and retraced immediately to the highs. That's basically, of course you need to wait for that move, right? It's like one move, second, the third week. On the third week you would be able to take the profits if you want to take profits there, but you are not even sure if it's gonna go higher or not. So that's basically it here. And this is the imbalance, and price revisited it. You see, if you were like crazy buying, I want to buy the top of these, I want to buy the middle of these, and I want to buy the bottom of this, you would be averaging like 3 contracts here. Why I'm saying like, I hate this word. You would be averaging 3 contracts here on 141, and with 3 contracts on this, oh my goodness. Yeah, it's crazy move. It's $6,000 on the smallest possible contracts. But you need to be able to handle this stop loss. I mean, not this one, but this stop loss, which would be even crazier. Almost $2,000 if you are trading this strategy. So when price moves up sharply, it's the same thing. If you were trying to trade, it's April 24th and only on August. Imagine you are trading this. This is the funniest part. You're trading from here to the top and the stop loss at the beginning here. How would you be scared seeing your contract being bought here, and then 10 days, I mean from here, maybe it's in the middle of week, it was just still going lower, close to your stop loss, which would be crazy amount of money, from average 18.2. What we see here, oh okay, I like it a lot, by the way. Oh yes, please continue. And you would be averaging, and then what's that, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. It's like 3 months later you would be exiting, of course with big money, but that's the thing. And now your next move, but you know, sometimes you want to see it being traded and you want to go long from here. Here you would have failed, although you wouldn't. You see, it's all about management of your position. You go from the lowest to the highest, and price literally pierced everything. Oh, I like it. But if you bought here one contract and it went here, You never know when it's gonna retrace. But it's, what's this? 19.3, 20.5. 1200 on a small contract. 2.4k of profits right here. But then you would get wrecked on this move. Fibonacci tool is relatively also the tool that is being used. It's not like 2 plus 2 equals. It's, oh wow, chat was disconnected. It's not like 2 plus 2 equals 4, and you cannot argue with that. I mean, if you are arguing this. But if you are going from another low to this high, look at that. You would be just getting first entry here, maybe second entry here in the middle, right? Somewhere here in the middle, and the third entry here, which would have failed. Your average would be 2 contracts, small contracts, smallest. And this move, I don't know where you can bring it. And it's all about news, you know. Market is scared, you're trading that. Smarter move is when you see that market is showing you, yes, I'm ready to go higher. It's like okay, 17,000, 20,000, $3,000 move, you have 2 contracts. So it's like 6,000 per one contract. $12,000 profit today. And you would be willing to sit more. But here, let me remove all this stuff. How to enter, why I'm long here. It's easy. First, people are scared for no reason. They are afraid that market is following the thing that was planned, like to slow down the economy and get everything lower, as low as possible, and after that boost the lower interest rate, bring businesses in, and then we're all good. I like it. Again, let's see what is going on there. Oh wow, that's a big absorption. I will be hoping for the price pushing through that. And here I see that on a weekly, now is green. That's some bullshit candle. Then liquidity of the previous week, in this case, has been taken. Now I'm waiting for liquidity of this week to be taken, and it got taken, of course. And since it's going up, my next goal is, of course, since markets are moving from liquidity to liquidity, my next goal is 537. And the next goal, just in case if we go below, is this, and of course this. Since nothing is negative to me personally, some people may be seeing the, oh no, it's bearish. Yeah, it might be. We might go right now, just reject golden block and fall lower, which would make total sense, and take this liquidity here again, and maybe trade here and go higher, or even take this deeper retracement and then go higher. Anyways, the American economy should go higher. These moves are smart to me. And I go to smaller time frame and I see, okay, it was trading here and then it got displaced crazy. Market shows the wish to trade higher, okay, and it hasn't made the fair value gap, but you can see still it's a big one. That would make sense that price will be willing to trade into that. Almost. If you want to go to here, then it touched. It's dynamic thing. Now market, what? There is a goal also. This imbalance, look at that. It just like ripped through that. From that high to somewhere here. Price might trade it, trade there. Once it takes the liquidity there, might get here, squeeze them all out, displace here, get back, close this fair value gap, and do like that. Or maybe it'll do deeper retracement, take all that liquidity and go higher. We're trading probabilities and we're trying to find the best entries possible. And I would be entering here. Oh my god, I hate it. Okay, I like it. Now I like it. I didn't see shorts before. Now they should be squeezed probably, because I'm looking for higher. Weekly move is pretty much... Where's that? Weekly high. Take that. Yeah, that's the goal. Ultimate goal. That's annoying. May trade here. Or on 1 minute, it may trade all the way to that place. Right? Fair value gap. It's also can be... Ooh, that's a short trap. Looks like. Look how they baited them. Okay, we're falling. And a lot of retail is going in. And maybe not even retail. Maybe even something bigger. It's going, oh yeah, we're falling, and it keeps chopping. Same thing right now is going on there. Now they trusted, oh yeah, we're going long, but price retraces. That's how liquidity is being collected. And then with the one big push, big player is just, I don't know, maybe they will squeeze them here. If I was trading for the big player, I would put my limit order here. Maybe here, partially here. And maybe here. No, since it traded a lot, probably lower. Maybe here. Now, I would just... Whatever they just did, collected liquidity here, held all those guys who are not... Who are trying to push, but they cannot. Yeah, you see? What is it? Oh, wow. Now we might fly. Yeah, okay, now it makes sense. Yeah, basically that was the move. Probably maybe they collected, they were buying here, they were all shorting. Now price will go higher to create another range somewhere here. I hope. Let's make it like I'm correct. What is this? I don't know. Maybe this range here. And while they'll be trading here, big player will exit it on this thing. Oh wow, that's a nice reaction. And I like that shorts are doing the thing. And I want price disrespect whatever they did. You see? It's like it created imbalance, wanted to create, but it immediately took it out. But didn't go below the candle. Oh yeah, nice. Those guys who were short, they put stop loss here. A lot of stop losses here. I hope now it'll be for the final push of like, what's this? $11 from above that. Bullshit. They're trying to sell. They fail to sell. Let's go higher then. How would 5 minutes work? Nothing special. Forever trade, I would call this thing. Push it higher, please. Market's so slow. Holy shit. What is this? It's like New York is like double Asia range or what? 14, that's like $100. A bit more. Yeah, a bit more than $100. Same thing. It was like $150. New York. What? Where are those 1 minute candles? $500. I was so happy with those. Okay, take it all. Take them all out. And take these guys all out. Straight to my take profit. Really? I don't want to sit here for another 2 hours. Okay. Higher. I'm basically trading one mini contract. It's 10 micros. I was thinking to take 7 off and move my stop loss to there. And we'll see. Yeah, now I see it. Wow, that's a big long. I see a lot of people are shorting it. So price should squeeze them all higher. Can you just go freaking $5 in New York session? What is this? It's like shitcoin. It's some dead market. Go squeeze those shorts. Now shorts are dominating. I mean dominating in the volume, but they're not dropping. I'm sitting since this bottom. Now I need to wait and see how thousands of contracts are looking, how price is going against them. Please squeeze them all out. Make me these 9K and I'm out. I want to eat after the gym. Still hasn't eaten anything. Because I thought, oh wow. It's not a gym after workout. I came here and yeah, did some workout. I want to go to the gym. Oh, don't scam me. Right. That was my strategy that I was trading. I would be waiting for this to displace, then go short. But from the mistake that I made on Friday, I was trying to short market, which is going up and only up. Why would I go short? And I would be still looking for the long from here. You can see my longs here and even from here too. But it puts higher high, which is funny. Wow, too much trash here. Okay, not relevant anymore. This relevant. And I need $6 higher the push for another account, because you can see entries were $6 difference. Now it's gonna go here. Oh, you like Fibonacci? He's gonna ask me, oh, you like Fibonacci? Do you want to trade here? Or maybe you want to wait and trade here? Since it makes sense to take all this liquidity to here or from here to here. No, it doesn't. I mean, it does. I don't want to. I want those guys to get trapped so bad and price pushes higher up. What is this? It's $5 move. 130, 135. Squeeze them all out. Another bear trap. $5 move, please. 5 from here. From here. Okay. $15. I just need 6 more. 11. No, I don't want random bullshit. And you see it puts higher high, higher high, higher high. I don't like that it starts to curve. Although no, it's not. It's kind of like that. Maybe the next maybe will make me happy. If it continues the same trend. Nah. For those who like trends, that's it. That's the point of my success. Right here. Let's go. Price to the moon. I like that. Yeah, shorts are there. You can see. Can you see? Yeah, you can see. Shorts are here. They're trying. But so far we are trading on the same spot. Longs, only one time they try to do something. So far it's all shorts here. Which makes me happy. I hope it'll trap them here. Like flush slightly here. Shorts will increase the number. Oh, okay. I hope market maker or whoever is doing that, they think, oh, that's enough. It's enough. Those guys are okay. No, with this song, I might fall asleep. And there's commercials, of course. Yeah, these kind of trades I like just to leave them and do my things. Because it's a lunchtime, more manipulations on the New York with low volume. They just went to eat. 6:13. Here it's 12. On a midday in New York. Lunches are started. Okay, that's the box I need to hold with a higher volume. Please, thank you, thank you, thank you. Higher than it was before. Good. Very good. I like it. Goes according to plan. Is it low risk trade? To enter, imagine entering here with the stop loss here. That would be dangerous. Like $3 move? No. 1-to-1 would have worked. Oh shit, it's gonna do something. Again, I see these moves. That's usually when it's like somewhere. Hopefully not lower. Look at that. Oh, I feel it's gonna be nice to squeeze. Shit. Okay. I should be good if it wants to do nasty squeeze. Like $100. Usually okay. Hopefully it'll make squeeze there. I'll just put just in case my take profits there. Because if it does stupid shit, I want to get some money from that. Okay. Yeah. So it turned out 106 was a good entry with the 103. Take profit, $10 move. Yeah. Go higher, go higher, go higher. Thank you. Go even higher. I hope some people they use only $10 stop loss. So they're now $10 down. Oh. Yeah, streaming this thing. It's better than just like start the stream when you entered the trade, leave computer and leave home. Squeeze them all out. 135 is what I need on this big move. Liquidity taken, entered here at the fair value gap. Let's go higher. I want to see now. Let's go higher. Prove me that you are strong market. And you are strong that you are creating fair value gap. Which price wants to trade into. Or maybe not. I don't need. Please, please, please. No, please, okay. 400, please go higher, go higher. Go beyond that thing. Take this liquidity, $5, $5 higher, empty. I hope it's freaking empty there. There is no big players with big orders. Please, please. I'm begging you. Okay, yeah. That means we are gonna hit take profit now. Right when you need to leave. Thank you very much, Blaze, for being here. It was not as sad as it was before without you. I was just sitting talking to myself. You entered and like, hello. Now this stream started to make sense. Yeah, I will leave this stream, of course, upload it. But yeah, hopefully it won't take me long because I'm gonna lose my mind sitting here watching that. Oh yeah, usually after that, with that liquidity, with all that, usually I assume those who were pushing here with the heavy buys, they just got absorbed. They absorbed everything here, so they have some willingness to push higher. So that's my expectation. And the same thing, it might be trading even here in a fair value gap with Fibonacci, which is here for safety, or maybe not. Just $11, $11, New York, $11. Hardcore liquidity grab. Show them. So you don't have to watch the entire stream or watch the end. Or you will see the name. If it's 2K or 9K. But now it should flush everything out to the top. Stream doesn't even show me. Interesting. Stream doesn't. Oh yeah, now it shows me that you're here. Collect this liquidity. Now it's gonna fly to the sky. Stop losses are here. Take them out. Take them out. Those, trigger those. Yep. No, okay, small amount. Bye-bye, Blaze. Thank you very much. Have a fantastic day, evening, night, everything. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, you see? You're living. You're living, bro. You're living, bro. Bro, you're living. No, 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 no. Go higher. Go higher, stronger. God candle for the blaze. And for me. Get those freaking 3K. Blaze, ask the market for $4. For $3.50. Okay. $2. I need $20 big push. And that's it. Oh, shit. Hate it. Oh, nice, 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 nice. I like it. I like it a lot. That would be a nice trade if I was trading that. From here. And they're long with stop here. It's not luck, by the way. It's some skill. Yep, I've seen it. I've seen it. Now it's gonna be God candle for $50. There's stop losses here. That's the level of some liquidity. Pierce them all out. Brother. Brother. Pierce them all out. Brother. Please. Brother. Really? You are playing me $2? $2 on NQ. Sitting on my hands watching that like a cock. NQ and cock. NQ. Oh no, please push last time. Trap longs there. Trap a lot of longs. They will be happy to jump there. Okay, now it's taking another. Yep, what's that? 121, 133. Yeah, could have been $10 move. Nice, 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 nice. Show me the God candle. I want to stop it. I want to stop it. Really? $2 freaking and Q. You need to trap the liquidity first. You need to trap all longs first. A lot of longs. And then reverse the market if you want. It's not much. Where is the $1,000? I mean 1,000 contracts and Qs? Why it's not even going? Okay. Yeah, take all this liquidity. Take that to this level. I need this freaking take profit, please. And my next take profit is somewhere about here, somewhere here. And it's not letting the price go. I want it to pierce hardcore, and then we are good. Yeah, that's what I like. It should be like hardcore manipulation move. So it's not $2 move. It's like freaking $30 move. At least. Nice, nice, nice. Collecting all that bullshit here. I see shorts are dominating this spot, but they're sitting on the same place. They're like, look, 8 longs, 227 shorts. Okay, that was the one. 200, 174, combined with this 200, 200. Really? So I'm entering here with the take profit here, and it doesn't hit with $2. Dang it. Ah. Take all this liquidity to another level. Is it going to use that one? Big short. Oh. Okay, absorbed everything. Yeah, let's go higher, higher. And the funniest part, I'm waiting for this quick move. Like, bing! Give me all my profits. $1. I wanted to take 5 contracts and liquidate me with the rest. Thank you very much. And there is another one that is being traded there. I'm waiting for 3K, so I assume it's gonna be somewhere here. 140 on 141, something like that. Let me flatten this account. Done. 9K in a day. Easiest trade of my life. So basically, strategy was ultimately simple. I'm not interested in anything. Strategy was ultimately simple. NQ, hourly. We're bullish overall. Goes up. Accumulation. Nothing special, no crazy moves on Asia. Entering on London manipulation and targeting with the distribution top of the Asia. That's basically it. That's the trade. From here to here, 1-to-1 risk reward. It has higher win rate than lose rate, so I'm good. That's it. Thank you very much for not watching that, and have a fantastic day, guys. plus 9. Ooh, 9,000. 9072. Safe. Easy life. And now we are going higher. Thank you very much. Bye bye.